Add subtitles to a YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can add subtitles to a YouTube video. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to add subtitles to a YouTube video, it's relatively very simple. Just go to your channel content and then just click the edit button. Whether it is published or not published doesn't really matter. You can actually add subtitles regardless of everything. Now once you're here, you can say details, monetization, ad suitability, and video elements is exactly where we want to go. When we go to video elements, you'll find one of the section that says add subtitles. Now by default, English is selected. If you're speaking English, YouTube is going to automatically extract the text from whatever you say on it. So you can just click the edit option here. And then here you can see the auto option. These are the auto subtitles. I didn't enter them because YouTube understands English quite well. They are actually doing this automatically, and I can just directly go ahead and then edit these if I would like to, depending upon the timing, and the timing could also be perfect. If you'd like to add a manual subtitles, you can absolutely do that if you prefer that as well. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.